Have you ever wondered, what if the Earth stopped spinning? Not forever, just 5 seconds. Out your window. The trees are still. The world seems normal. Maybe you're sitting with a cup of tea or watching rain slide down the glass. Life hums softly around you. Every day, we trust the ground beneath our feet. But what if, for just 5 seconds, that trust was tested? Let's step quietly into this cosmic question together. Imagine the planet Earth, our home, spinning beneath us. Always, we never feel it. Its motion is as invisible as the air we breathe. But in this story, there is a heartbeat of stillness. No warning, no countdown, just stop. For 5 seconds, Earth's spin pauses. At first, nothing feels wrong. Birds still sing, clouds drift lazily. You might take a breath, completely unaware that physics has just stepped into the room. But beneath that illusion of normality, everything is already changing. Think about the oceans. Have you ever watched water swirl in a teacup, then tried to stop it suddenly? The cup stops. The water doesn't. Now imagine the oceans, vast, restless, holding the memory of Earth's motion. When the planet stops, even for 5 seconds, the oceans keep moving. In some places, the sea pulls away, revealing the ocean floor like a secret briefly exposed. In others, water piles up, rising higher than any familiar tide. Not destruction, not chaos. A reminder that motion is not easily forgotten. Now, listen to the air. The atmosphere is an invisible river flowing with Earth's spin. When the ground suddenly stops beneath it, the air keeps going. You feel it as wind, not a storm, not a roar, a sudden, impossible gust, as if the world exhaled all at once. Trees bend, windows tremble, birds mid-flight ride a wind they never expected, like stepping off a spinning playground ride, where your body keeps moving even when the world stopped. And what about us? For 5 seconds, the ground beneath your feet betrays you. Momentum carries everything forward. Cars, cities, people, not thrown, not torn apart, just gently nudged in the direction Earth was spinning, like stepping off a moving walkway, feeling your body lean forward, one step too far. You might stumble, children laugh, surprised, strangers glance at one another, hearts beating faster, sharing a silent question. What just happened? And in that moment, what do we feel? Not fear, wonder, a pause in everyday life, a shared breath, the realization that the world we trust so deeply is always in motion. Maybe you reach for someone's hand. Maybe you look up at the sky, searching for answers. Would you be afraid or amazed? Then, just as quietly as it stopped, the earth begins to spin again. The oceans settle, murmuring to themselves. The wind softens. The ground feels trustworthy once more. People straighten up. Children giggle at the memory. Life resumes. But something has changed. Like the silence after thunder, the world feels new. Why does this story matter? Because it reminds us that everything we know depends on a motion we never feel. Oceans, air, even our own bodies, all balanced by a silent spin through space. Physics is not distant. It shapes every sunrise, every breeze, every heartbeat. So next time you stand barefoot on the ground or watch the stars drift across the night sky, ask yourself this: if 5 seconds could remind us how fragile and precious our spinning world truly is. What else might we discover if we paused and listened? Thank you for wondering with me.